कुछ नहीं है।
आवाज कभी तेरी
Then turn on your camera, everybody.
ये सबर एक
कैमरा ऑन करें
Hussein, Abbas. How are you, Abbas?
Good morning. Fine, ma'am.
Afternoon. Hussein, how are you? Can you hear me? Hussein and Ahmed, are you there? Abbas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you having your books, stationery, and notebooks with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hussein, where are you? I can't see you. Hussein, turn on your camera, please. Okay, so here we are going to take a start for our Oxford Progressive English 6 by Rachel Redford. Can you look at the screen?
Yeah.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with today's diary first. Reading off page number 2. Note it down, please. Note down your diary for today. Reading off page number 2. Your classwork will be vocabulary words and answer questions. And your home task will be grammar portion of page number 5, question number 3 from textbook page number 4, reading for understanding. Note down your diaries. Hurry up.
Close.
Abbas, hurry up, write it down, note down it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hussein,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me know when you note down it.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Home task.
Ahmed, are you done?
Yes. Task.
Open your page number 2, Ahmed. Write down your date for today.
Okay. Grammar. Kiसे grammar.
Abbas, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Page 5. Page. Question 3. XTEX. Textbook B double O K
Okay.
Facebook.
Open your page number 2. Abbas, hurry up, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are going to take start with our unit number 1, where we live now. Reading emails.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your page number 2 and write the date above.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys done with the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start with our unit number 1, where we live now. This chapter is about the countries, different kinds of environment where different people live. And we came to know about this by reading some emails. Start reading, Ahmed. Start reading. Ahmed, start reading.
Yes.
Start reading.
Hello. I am.
No, you need to take a start from, wait. You need to take a start from here. Unit 1, where we live now. Reading emails from Sarah to Riba. Subject is greetings from London. Sarah is writing an email to Riba and she is talking from London. Now read it. Hello.
Hello. I am attached
Attaching a photo of Big Ben.
of big the families
The famous
Comment.
clock.
on the house of
Parliament. Parliament.
in our country capital city Lahore.
London. Wait here now. Underline the words. Abbas, where is your pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Hussein,
Yes, ma'am.
better set your camera. I can't see you properly. Underline the words attaching, Big Ben, what is Big Ben? It's a famous clock on the Houses of Parliament in London. Hello, I am attaching a photo of Big Ben, the famous clock on the Houses of Parliament in our capital city London. हेलो, मैं अटैच कर रही हूँ बिग बेन की फोटो जो कि फेमस क्लॉक है हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लंदन में. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड पार्लियामेंट. London is famous for its red double-decker buses where you can sit upstairs as well as downstairs. लंदन फेमस है अपनी रेड डबल डेकर बसेस की वजह से जहां पे हम अपस्टेयर्स भी बैठ सकते हैं और डाउनस्टेयर्स भी बैठ सकते हैं. आप सबको पता है डबल डेकर बसेस कौन सी होती हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. एंड फॉर इट्स ब्लैक टैक्सीज. लंदन में यूजुअली ब्लैक कलर की टैक्सीज चलती है तो वो इसके लिए भी फेमस है. 12 million people live in London. How many people live in London?
10 million.
Underline it. 10 million people live in London. We are a multicultural city with people from every corner of the world living here. तमाम दुनिया के different culture के लोग लंदन में रहते हैं, so that's why it is a multicultural city. You can buy and eat food from all over the world. in our markets and restaurants. We often have pop concerts with thousands of people in the audience, and the city has many theaters and cinemas. Yes, Hussein, what did you get from this paragraph?
यस मैम, पता चला कि उन्होंने बिग बेन की फोटो लगाई है जो हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के ऊपर है।
Yes.
पता चला कि बहुत फेमस है रेड डबल बसेस की और ब्लैक टैक्सीज की।
Yes.
मिलियन पीपल भी रहते हैं।
और इसकी पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? 10 million people. 10 million people live in London. Abbas? Yes, Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 2 lines में आपको क्या पता चल रहा है?
Ma'am.
You can buy and eat
Yes.
food from all over the world in our markets and restaurants. आप हर तरह का फूड ले सकते हैं सारी दुनिया का जो कि हमारे रेस्टोरेंट्स में और मार्केट्स में मिलता है. We often have pop concerts, as we have already know कि जो ज़्यादातर bigger concerts होते हैं वो कहाँ होते हैं? लंदन में with a huge audience. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hussein, read the next paragraph. Hurry up.
Famous art galleries and museums, and many historical monuments such as Nelson's Column in Trafalgar Square.
Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square. Underline the words galleries, museums, historical monuments, such as Nelson's Column in Trafalgar Square. Yes, Hussein?
It's under
Ji. We have the river Thames with its many historical bridges winding through the city, and we have beautiful green parks and gardens where we can relax beside a lake or a pond. There is an astounding variety of trees in London's green spaces which blossom in the spring and turn gold and red in the autumn. Underline the words River Thames, historical bridges,
Historical bridges.
astounding, blossom, लंदन फेमस है आर्ट गैलरीज और म्यूजियम्स की वजह से क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. मॉन्यूमेंट्स एक एंशिएंट बहुत ज़्यादा एंशिएंट आपकी जो चीज़ें होती हैं उनको हम मॉन्यूमेंट्स बोलते हैं. Such as Nelson's Column in Trafalgar Square, जैसे कि Nelson's Column है Trafalgar Square में. We have the River Thames. हमारे पास रिवर थेम्स है जो कि अपने हिस्टोरिकल ब्रिजेस की वजह से बहुत फेमस है. Winding through the city, and we have beautiful green parks and gardens where we can relax beside a lake or pond. लंदन में बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल ग्रीन पार्क्स होते हैं और गार्डन्स होते हैं जहाँ पे लोग रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं पॉन्ड्स के पास या लेक के पास बैठकर. There is an astounding variety of trees in London, green spaces. Astounding, amazing, beautiful. Variety of trees in London, green spaces. उनके गार्डन्स में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीज होते हैं. अमेजिंग, जो कि blossom करते हैं. Blossom means blooming in the spring and turn gold and red in the autumn. ये इसकी speciality है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
First email आपको समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hussain, is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear to you? Hussain,
Yes, ma'am.
आपको ये समझ आया बेटा first email?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the Moscow one. Abbas, read it. Hurry up, Abbas.
जी मैम.
Read it, beta. Read the Moscow email.
Yes, ma'am. Here in Moscow we have beautiful
Wait here.
and
Wait. From Igor to Hassan, subject greetings from Moscow and Russia. This is the email from Igor to Hassan. And from where is Igor writing this email? Moscow, Russia. Привет.
Yes, ma'am.
Привет.
Привет. Here in Moscow we have beautiful and ancient churches and
Cathedrals.
cathedrals as well as the famous fortress
Fortress
of the
Kremlin.
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 The churches Kremlin. The churches have
Brilliant.
golden domes which are very bright in the winter.
Sunshine.
In red squares we have set St.
Saint Basil's Cathedral. इसको बोलते हैं Saint Basil's Cathedral.
Yes, ma'am. Which was built
in
16th
century.
60th century. It has 8 domes,
chapels,
some square, some
octagonal,
such with each with a
multicolored
multicolored
exterior.
It
wait,
is a
wait here.
wonder.
Wait here. Here in Moscow,
Yes,
we have beautiful ancient churches and cathedrals as well as the famous fortress of the Kremlin. मॉस्को में हमारे पास ब्यूटीफुल कदीमी पुराने चर्चेस हैं और कैथेड्रल्स हैं as well as famous for the Kremlin, जो कि मजीद फेमस है क्रेमलिन की वजह से. The churches have brilliant golden domes. Underline the word ancient churches and cathedrals. Brilliant golden domes which are very bright in the winter sunshine. Churches बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होते हैं जिनके ऊपर brilliant golden domes बने हैं. As you can see in the picture. पिक्चर बनी हुई है आपके लेफ्ट साइड पे बुक के. आपको इसके ऊपर चर्च के ऊपर गोल्डन डोम नजर आ रहा है, which are very bright in the winter sunshine. जिनके ऊपर जब विंटर में सनशाइन आती है तो ये और ब्राइट हो जाते हैं. In Red Square, we have Saint Basil's Cathedral, which was built in the 16th century. Underline this line. Red Square में हमारे पास Saint Basil Cathedral है जो कि 16th century में बना है. It has 8 domed chapels, some square, some octagonal, each with a multicolored exterior. इसके अंदर 8 chapels हैं जो कि कुछ square हैं, कुछ octagonal sides की shape में हैं. Octagonal means having 8 sides. और multicolored exterior के साथ है ये. It is wonderful sight.
Yes, ma'am.
It is wonderful sight. We have world famous art galleries where you can see beautiful Russian portraits and landscape with the characteristics birch trees. Yes, Sam. Sam, do you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Chapels क्या होते हैं और octagonal?
Chapels और कैथेड्रल और चर्च, तीनों चर्चेस को ही कहा जाता है बट इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Octagonal means having 8 sides. Octagon पता है ना, hexagon, octagon,
Yes, ma'am.
pentagon.
Yes, ma'am.
ये वर्ड्स आपने सुने हुए हैं? Pentagon means
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Pentagon, hexagon के नाम सुने हैं.
yes, so similar is the name is octagon. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In winter, it is many degrees below zero in Moscow. Winters में मॉस्को में बहुत freezing temperature होता है, 0 से below होता है temperature. We have deep
Yes,
snow for months and Moscow river freezes over. Deep snow होती है वहाँ पे और वहाँ पे एक river है जिसका नाम है मॉस्कोवा river जो कि freeze हो जाता है. Underline it, मॉस्कोवा river. The worst time is at the end of the winter. Worst time मॉस्को में winters का end होता है जब when the snow starts to melt and we have to walk through the deep, wet, dirty brown slush for several weeks. जब हमें deep, wet, dirty brown slush में से move करना पड़ता है, walk करना पड़ता है काफी weeks. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you guys are clear for London and Moscow.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your chapter? Where we live now.
Where we live now.
तो उसके
Yes, ma'am.
अकॉर्डिंगली अब हमने 2 जगह की इमेज पढ़ ली है. लंदन के बारे में भी हमें पता चल गया और मॉस्को रशिया के बारे में भी पता चल गया. ठीक है. Open your notebook. Hurry up.
We be in.
Abbas, where is your notebook?
Ma'am, मेरे पास ही है ma'am.
Open your notebook. Leave the first
Yes, ma'am.
page for writing your
Yes,
name,
ma'am.
class and subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with the second page. Second right page जिसके ऊपर margin lines draw करनी है. Draw your margin lines first.
Ma'am, मेरे में है.
You all are familiar with my way, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hussein, are you familiar with writing the date and margin lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start writing then. Draw the margin lines.
No.
Draw the margin lines. Write your date. Thursday, 4th June 2020. Then classwork. Then your unit number 1. Yes, Hussein.
ये English A करना है ना मैम.
Yes, English A. Hurry up. Hurry up. Put the date, write classwork, then your unit number 1, where we live now, name of your chapter,
Yes, ma'am.
and then write the topic, vocabulary, words.
Done, ma'am.
Now write these words and meanings. Hurry up. Quickly, quickly. in a neat writing and in a beautiful way. Abbas, do you have your black marker, blue marker, and blue pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम मिड में तो लाइन नहीं लगाना.
लगाना है. You are writing the
Well-
words meaning, so you need to draw the line in between.
तो पे नहीं वो लगाओगे.
Hurry up.
Yes.
10.
Yes.
Write it fastly, beta.
Bus. Four.
Very good, Hussain. Hurry up.
LS T
मैम वेयर वी लिव नाउ के बाद क्या लिखना है?
The vocabulary words. Wait a second. Can you see it now?
मैम ब्लैक पेन,
जी.
ब्लैक पेन
Blue marker है आपके पास?
मैम.
Kerja bajumu tak kau sawalun na ni kau tak surat tak kau sawalun na tak kau. Power page bada vocabulary words लिखो tak surat sawalun na tak kau.
Hiya, beta. We need to move on.
मैम vocabulary words लिखिए.
क्या कह रहे हो आप, Hussain? Hussain, what are you saying?
Okay, मैम vocabulary words लिखिए.
Words meanings लिखने हैं. Words लिखने हैं, then draw the line in between and then meaning. Vocabulary words, you need to write it like words meanings.
मैम vocabulary नीचे लिख दो word meanings.
No. Just write the vocabulary words and then start doing your work. Your topic is vocabulary words. Hurry up.
मैम फर्स्ट vocabulary words के word क्या है?
First है double decker. Double decker. DOUBLE double DECKER decker. Double decker, and its meaning is something, especially a bus that has two
Yes, ma'am.
floors or levels. A double decker bus.
H C
Excuse me. The next one is multicultural. Multicultural means relating to or containing several cultural or ethnic groups within the society.
O
Excuse me,
Monuments means, yes, Hussain.
मैम अगर मीनिंग लिखने इसका डबल डेकर का मैम ये उसके नीचे
बेटा थोड़ी सी स्पेस छोड़ो, लाइन ड्रॉ करो इन बिटवीन, लाइन ड्रॉ करो आप इसके बाद, लाइन ड्रॉ करो और देन स्टार्ट राइटिंग मीनिंग. एक मीनिंग जितनी लाइन में कंप्लीट हो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वर्ड स्टार्ट करें.
yes ma'am.
Monument means a statue, building, or other structure erected to commemorate a notable person or event. Astounding, surprisingly impressive, or notable. Blossom, mature, or develop in a promising or healthy way. Ancient, having been in existence for a very long time. Dome, covered with or shaped like a rounded vault. VAULT. Beta, look at this screen carefully. Don't do any spelling mistake.
Yes ma'am.
And write in a good writing. Yes, Hussain.
मैम मीनिंग क्या है डबल डेकर का
Then can you see the image on screen? Can you see the screen? Is it visible for you?
यस मैम
Beta, it's over here. Something, especially a bus that has two floors or levels, a double-decker bus. Can you see it now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, write it. Hurry up. Birch trees, it means the hard, fine, grained, pale wood of birch tree.
T E E R E E
You need to learn these vocabulary words, okay?
yes ma'am.
मैम
To E O R R A T E E M O T A E E L A P E R
Hurry up.
or T S U R P R
आप लोगों का लेक्चर का टाइम होगा 11:30 to 12. So
जी मैम.
आपका लेक्चर का टाइम है 11:30 to 12. So you need to be very active. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Come up on the time. Are you done?
No ma'am.
Beta, hurry up. We need to move on.
Yes ma'am.
Hussain, any issue?
यस मैम
Any issue, beta?
Yes.
Are you done?
No, ma'am.
Hurry up. Hurry up, Abbas.
Yes, ma'am. Oh. BEVEL. Develop or in a more EA H Y way.
Excuse me. Okay, yes. Can I swap it now?
No, ma'am.
Hussein, hurry up.
L
Hussein, do a writing practice at home.
HAV
Okay, ma'am.
Make up your speed.
having been